mmoja. So before we proceed, we have one guy here. We have one guy here. He has a wife. He has a wife, and mhm, we have one guy here. He has a wife and two children. Okay, remember to listen to me very well. We have here one guy. Please, before I proceed, we have here one guy. Please make sure, guys, to subscribe to my channel. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. So we have here one guy. He has one wife and two children. Then suddenly we have his neighbor. His neighbor also. His let me say neighbor. His neighborhood. So he has. Mm-hmm, we have his neighbor, a wife and husband, and his neighbor's wife, hmm? jirani jirani yake mwanamke, yaani kwa Kiingereza tunasema kwamba his neighbor's wife, he want him to marry again with his guy. Huyu guy ana ako na watoto wawili, ako na mke mmoja